Just a little of everything.
Important, exactly.
That's a superlative observation. Now let's see if the Army will get some contributions from everybody as Jovelyn Gonzaga gets us going here in the third with the first point. It's more a qualitative or a mental thing that the Army has to do here to wake up more than anything else. It's not really tactical, no?
Yes, that's right.
Kasi yung volleyball hindi problema. It's actually the desire more than anything else. But let's see what happens. They're off to a good start here. 2-0. Jimmy Sabas, free ball. Agno, aabot ba? Umabot.
Good block from Dakis.
Ayaw ibigay. Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. 3-0 is the count. Rachel Andak is refusing to yield a point. Jaja! Jaja!
Jaja Santiago.
Dati araw, ganun na lang eh. Jaja!
She now has 16 points in this game. 16 from attacks. And it's followed by Ivy Perez with 7 and Mandapat with 6. Meanwhile, for the Lady Troopers, Gonzaga leads the pack with 9 points, followed by Dakis with 8 and Sabas with 5.
In the meantime, Ivy Perez, malakas ang kanyang serve. Ang score natin 4-1. Abante pa rin ng Army. Sila po yung nag-green sa kanan ng inyong mga TV set, brother. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan natin ang dengue. Gamitin ang Lion Tiger Katol. Proudly, gawang Pilipino. Samantalang lakas. Yes.
That was a good call from General.
Si General, ano yan? Pushy din yan. Gusto pa yan sa timeout, masasabi yan si Pato. Sige na, ako nang bahala. Sige na. Parang ate.
But good, just a good attitude, you know?
Regalo. Dadang doesn't want to waste the opportunity. Sets it nicely, but nearly backfires. Perez sets it up. The point will go the other way, either through the score or a front row player just jumping out in front. But it will be NU's point, no question about it. It is 3-4.
Jaja at the service line for the Lady Bulldogs. Good serve.
Regalo, ayaw ni Dadang. Off speed na alanganin. Dakis, familiar term. Tinaas ni Singh.
Once again to Mandapat. Off the block. Inabot ni Nenen. And there's a free ball.
Sa kabila, kay Singh. Huli! Inside! I'm beginning to wonder why Dadang doesn't want to hit those gifts that are in front of her. She might be having some problems jumping up at them. Axel is the official arbiter of the Shakey's Relay. Tinaas ni Milo Pablo. General has to track it down. Picked up by Agno. Gonzaga, pinapay, huli siya out.
So that's inside the goal. The point goes to NU.
Oo nga. So it is 4-5. Singh will be serving. Jarrell Singh.
Good serve.
Mas kumalo na serve. Autista.
So that is inside.
Iniwasan na nga lahat. Sumalang pa pababa. 6-4 ang bilang natin. Napalaban yung Army. Lintis.
There is a free ball.
Hindi pa ba umidadangan? Perez, lipat sa kabila. Pinuso. Tinakas ni Rachel. Bautista.
And also a violation will be called up against NU.
Back row, ano? Merong matake. 7-4. Ang rule lang dyan eh. Back row players cannot go beyond the
Attack line.
attack
Yes.
line. Pwede kang mag-spike from back row pero hindi ka lalanding. Or you cannot
take off
from the beyond your attack line.
Yeah, you can stand over the attack line, but you can't take off there.
Mandapat with a point makes it 5-7.
NU just down by 2. Mandapat at the service line. Service good. Salak will give it to Balse.
Medyo matagal na hindi nakaka-score si Jing Balse doon from that sector. Make it 8-5, technical timeout number 1 of the third.
Sabi din niya, kailangan daw nila ng extra patience pagdating sa pag-execute ng kanilang mga plays because nag-rare na magkaroon ng comeback itong Army. Sabi niya, kailangan daw pag nagkaroon sila ng, nag-commit sila ng error, huminga lang daw sila at wag daw nilang hayaan na yung emotions, back-cloud yung kanilang logic. Balik sa inyo.
I think that's a good piece of coaching from Coach De La Cruz. In the meantime, Jaja just tipped it over at nagkagulo si Sabas at saka si Bautista sa panig ng Army.
Again, that sometimes, that element wherein they're so used to seeing her hit it hard.
Tina with a rare setting error. She ends up with a double touch. It ended up with one hand, went to the other. Minsan, pag you've been doing it all your life, suddenly there's that error.
Sometimes, din yun kapag masyadong pawis yun.
That's true.
Kakampi mo.
That's why she wiped her hands on her uniform.
Oh, good save from Agno.
Si Agno all over the court. That's inside. Tina is doing the right thing, going to other sources of points. Let's go to Bautista. You were right in the pregame when you earmarked Bautista. She's so unheralded, underrated. But before you know it, she's piled together 12, 13 points that have helped the Army. Let's go with this serve. Jaja, long.
Oh, that's outside.
10-7 tally. Don't forget that Mikasa is our official ball here in the Shakey's V-League.
Buhay pa rin ang bola. Good save there from Army. Ayun na naman, yung double jump na yun ni Jaja.
Parang parang tennis serve. I-stop. Tapos, tuloy ko na.
So you're not sure if it was really a wrong timing for her or talagang sinasadya niya rin niya because it's able to make her faint. Myla Pablo now at the service line for the Lady Bulldogs. Tina Salak, Mandapat able to get that. Oh, drop shot from Zaza.
Nicely read.
Very, very smart move from Santiago.
He's getting better and better.
Actually, and she's having that court smarts also. Remember, it's not always na kailangan malakas ang palo mo. You should be able to read your opponent.
And I'm sure one person is very happy for her improvement has been Sister Dindin.
Oh, yes.
I'm sure she's happy. There should be delightful dinners at the Santiago household in the days to come. The meantime, that is inside.
Sabas so far has been, her percentage is very high. Every time na nabibigyan siya ng bola, na-convert niya into points.
And Army slightly up 11-9 here in third set. If you just joined us, the first 2 sets went the way of National University. Sabas keeping it in play. Jaja recycles the offense.
Bautista keeps it alive.
Check for Jaja. Jaja!
Jaja once again, off the block.
Yun continuous yung motion niya.
Yeah.
No?
Sometimes you would think it's better kung nag-double jump pa lang siya. Because yung blocker sumasabay sa kanya sa ulang niyang talon.
10-11, dikit na naman. Huwag kakalimutan sa panahon ng tagulan yung kaso ng Dengue, Lion Tiger, patuloy na moving proudly. Philippine made suddenly to one lead for the Army of that error. Pero napapagod din kasi si Ivy Perez. Alam niyo yung naseto pag nag-serve ni Zero. Pagod din yan.
Oh, well, they are the ones who's running around the most inside, of course.
Oh, now that you mention it, so true.
Overreaching violation called up against Perez.
Si referee ka, natalas. Minibiro ko. Meron kang favorite court. Pag nasa taas ka, yung double. Pag sa baba, yung rotation. Siyempre, yung point na yun sa baba. Ooh, bad serve.
Bad serve.
13-11 po ang bilang natin.
NU just down by 2. Santiago already at the back row.
Ano yung mga pakyan, parang ang bagal nila rin. Boys, ang tagal, hindi pinaglalabanan.
Santiago serves safely over. Dakis block.
Ginawang set.
Valse is reaching for the highest point of the ball.
Alam ni Rachel Dakis kung saan ibigay, ano? Pagka si Batson. Tagal din silang opponents. 14-11. This is what Rachel does when she's waiting for the whistle and she lets it go. They're in the lead by 3. In play, Gadang. Perez makes it a set. Vinalis
Oh, that's outside and there is no touch.
Hindi na nagbibiro yung Army. No? Eh yung NU naman, falling into air ba? Hindi na yung technical timeout. Makinig tayo.
Hindi ka nagtatakbo. Silang na mataas. Okay? Silang mataas. Dalawa. Lakas pa naman ang bakit. Ang eksakto yung silang mabagal na. Ha? Ang eksakto lang yung height. Ang eksakto yung approach lang nila sa bola na binibigay mo pinagtatakbo. Nakakakinig nila. Okay? Kaya ako nag-time out para mapigil.
In just a moment, we're going to have another timeout because it's 15-11. Let's see what happens in the next sequence as Rachel Andakis prepares to serve.
The coach Dong doesn't want to take any
Yeah.
chances.
And he'll use the technical timeout as extra opportunity to talk to his team. Tata. And look at this, it's 16-11 as the Army now beginning to mean more business is at the technical timeout, the second one first. At the top of the standings, correct?
Yes, they're now at the top of the standings.
The LVP hometown side got a beating from Air Force as Bautista spots the opening.
Excellent reflex from Nene Bautista.
Tatanong kita, when do you know that there's an opening there? Bago mo atakihin o in the corner of your eye? Depende.
Depends on the situation but normally, in most cases, bago mo, kasi before you attack, nakatingin ka sa kabila But it depends on the situation. So, Singh takes it to the line.
Tried to go cross-court and manages to score a point after a long silence by National Youth. Singh is all set to serve. Her team down by 5 here in the third. They took the first 2 sets. Over set. Naging set. Valse scores.
Good setting job from Tina Sala.
Pag-setter ka talaga, endlessly talking, endlessly motivating. Tulak ka na tulak, nangihila ka ng jersey. Gonzaga. Dinas. Bautista whips it down. Perez says, let's do it nicely.
Mandapat once again.
Sa kabila. Linis ng pagkagawa ni Myla Pablo. It's now 13-18.
Although for Pablo, she's having a little difficulty pag masyadong mataas yung set sa kanya.
Yeah.
And I think that was what Coach Dong was instructing earlier, na huwag masyadong mataas, huwag masyadong taasan.
She uses some of her lift and her flight. Overset. They will recycle when they get the ball back. If they do, Agno. Bautista through the block. In play. Santiago one-handed standing spike. Bautista left-handed stab.
Pablo once again.
Yun, gaya nun.
Yeah. She loses her footing or her momentum if it's too high.
Parang it's a cross yung set niya. Kailangan cross between yung sibat na tusok
Yeah.
and it just has to be the right height for her. That takes some time to develop with your setter. Ang magusto nito, lalo na pag may blocking na. Sa warm-up kasi sa practice, pag walang blocking, madali yan Ooh. And it's 14-19.
NU down by 5.
Now that getting a sweet time. Dakis has it. Bautista is blocked. Bang!
Block from NU.
Ano nangyayari kaya tumatagal din? That team was got 2-3 points. 10 points. Then, di ba? Yung rally to
Yeah.
NU eh.
And we've also had, medyo long exchanges,
Oo.
which makes it more. Oh, good regalo para kay Myla Pablo.
You just have to take care of those BBs, mga advantage to. So I'm concerned of where Desiree Dadang not attacking those opportunities really. Baka meron lang iniinda. Overset, Cortina pushes it over.
Oh, that is outside. String of errors here for Philippine Army.
Door suddenly wide open for NU. Let's sneak in.
Itap natin ang tagit, hawag natin pinipigit sa set. Kasi pag pinipilit natin yung sa set, iba nangyayari. Kung pa sa kabila, okay lang kung tumatalo sa hindi. Harapan nyo lang muna yung bola, itaas nyo lang doon sa gitna. Tatak line.
This is interesting. Army was ahead 19-13. And suddenly 4 straight points strung together by National View. They're within 2. And they have the 2-set love lead. Huh? Ooh, long.
Oh, that serve is outside.
May pwede talaga yung timeout sa server, ano? Mawala yung buwelo. 2017, nahinto yung rally tuloy. Coach Rico de Guzman reminding everybody of where you are in the choreography. Perez. Tina. Rachel. Ito, warrior din ito si Rachel. When she wants to score, she'll score. Sa panahon na patulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion, tiger ka pala gamitin para the Philippine Mayor. Here we go with Nene Bautista.
Service good. Oh, that goes outside. Another 3-point here for NU.
Hindi lang sumalok at the right moment, ha? Valdez coming in for Pablo. This is Gail Rose Valdez, usually coming at this juncture. Torres is in also for Bautista on the other side.
Torres coming in to help with the floor defense here for the Lady Troopers. And would be the same also purpose for Valdez.
Nag-chess yung dalawang coaches, ha? Salak. Dakis. Through 2 blockers.
Tina Salak at the service line.
Safe, sure serve, huh? Jaja's rejected. Rachel overset. Nakuha ni Singh.
We said to Jaja. Agnew was there.
Gonzaga. Perez skids to the floor.
Hussein, who's blocked. Good coverage from Santiago.
Hirap na lumuhod ng gano'n. Dakis. Singh rejected. And Singh is fuming. 23-18.
Well, it is difficult, because she has very tall blockers in front of her.
And we will go into this NU timeout.
Pag ganun siya, umatos ka. Para may option siya, dalawang bibigyan niya. Isang tres ka mo. Okay lang yun. Huwag ka maano. May blocker eh. Ha? Walang blocker, hindi ka mabablock. Okay lang yun. At saka importante, yung ganda intention mo, paluin mo. Gusto mo patayin yung bola. 5 lang yan. Kaya pa natin. Okay?
saying here is that defensive job. Single coverage pala, no? Minsan pagka bumabalas, minsan alam mo, dalawa, tapos pag you see it in the replay, single coverage by Gonzaga. It is 23-18 as Salak will serve for all of us. Referee Da talking with Coach Dong. He's clarifying something. Yun ang masarap naman sa game na ito. You can ask it.
Yes. Hindi bawal magtanong, hindi bawal mag-inquire.
Ilang time up to Salak. Nice to get there. It is 19-23. Now, this is where NU will have to play Super A volleyball.
Flawless volleyball.
At this point.
And they cannot give away any free points.
At this point,
Yes.
at this juncture, if they want to win this game. Torres got to it.
Good pick up there from General.
Great ball. Dakis. And it becomes set point for the Army. Genie Sabas. Ooh,
That's
into
outside.
wide. 24-20 slide door opening for the anyway the Bulldogs, but not fully open.
But we've seen this happen, come from behind, down by 4. So again, it is just flawless volleyball here for the Lady Bulldogs.
Valdez got to it. Mandapat. Oh, yes. 24-21. Still set point for Army.
Santiago still at the service line for the Lady Bulldogs. Go serve safely over.
Three good. Alas, nakaling pa ng tapigan. Tadang.
Combination play, off the block. They would go to Mandapat. Oh, Mandapat sends it out.
May halos gigil, ano? It was such a great opportunity to try and score there.